Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to talk over about maturity. What is maturity, or when a person is considered to be a matured person? Now let us understand maturity through a story. There was a father who had a son. He wanted to educate his son in the best possible way. Already the father was an experienced person about life. So he thought that his son would get the best possible education. So he decided to send his son to a Gurukula. Gurukula means the olden day school. So he sent his son to one such school. The son was studying under a teacher. He was spending his whole time, concentrating on various subjects, studying, researching, etc. He thought that he had studied a lot. Then, during the vacation, he returned home. His father asked what he had learned. The son replied that he learned arts, music, science, etc. So many avenues of life. He got so much information. Then the father was not satisfied at all. He told his son that he did not study well. He told his son may go again to the Gurukula and ask his teacher, to tell his teacher that once again he wanted to study. Again he was taught by the teacher. He was under the guidance of the teacher. He learned so many things. Again he was doing the same thing, collecting so much of information and so on. Again he returned his home. His father asked the same thing. The son also replied in the same way. Then the father told still his son could not study well. Still so many things are remaining. So many things are to be studied again. Once again, his son was sent back to the school. Then he was learning under the same teacher again. Then the son thought that something was going on wrong. So he thought that he would correct it. Again he studied under the teacher very well. He observed, he meditated, and he remained very silent. He got enough experience and he became very calm and quiet. Again he returned his home. This time his father did not ask any question. By seeing his face of his son, he immediately understood that the son has become matured. Then what is that? Why he decided that his son has become matured? By seeing his son himself, he came to the conclusion that his son has attained to maturity. Because this time his son's face was very calm, collected, and it indicated the glimpse of truth. That means the son has known the thing by which everything is known. That means the son studied the thing by which everything can be known. Then what is that? That is the self-knowledge. So, attaining to self-knowledge is considered to be the maturity. Self-knowledge means the truth of the existence. Now, what is this truth for? This truth clears all our conditionings from the mind. It clears all our illusions, ignorances, etc. from our system, from our existence. So that means the person has become matured. He has attained to that kind of maturity which is very rare, which is timeless. We have already released a video in the title, What is Truth? He has attained to truth. Attaining truth, he has attained everything of life. The underlying principle of life he has learned. That is enough for him. That is the secret of life. Once somebody attains this, he has become matured. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another aspect of life.